Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So this is a really quick update about the Ticketomatic plugin, because as you might know, in 2018 Picatic, which API the Ticketomatic plugin uses, so the Ticketomatic plugin uses the Picatic API to get events, and Picatic was acquired back in 2018 by EventBrite. So if you thought about purchasing the Ticketomatic plugin, you can still do, but you will get another plugin instead, the Eventomatic plugin, because Picatic was acquired by EventBrite, and the Eventomatic plugin I created to work with the EventBrite API. So this should be purchased instead, because the Picatic website is no longer functional and they are redirected to EventBrite. So let us get check on this. So if we type picatic.com, we will be redirected to eventbrite.com. So keep in mind, guys, that you should get the Eventomatic plugin and not the Ticketomatic plugin. However, if you still purchase the Ticketomatic plugin, you will still get the Eventomatic plugin as a result, because these two plugins are merged now. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy the new Eventomatic plugin, because EventBrite API was also updated at least recently, and I updated also the plugin to work with the latest version of the EventBrite API, and now it can make stuff that it could not do before, and you should go check it out if you want to import event related posts to your WordPress website. Okay, so yeah, I will link in this video's description the Eventomatic plugin, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so stay tuned with me. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.